In this video, we are going to explore verb tenses. Did you know that there are more than just past, present, and future tenses? Some people think there are 12 to 16 different tenses in English. For the purpose of this lesson, we will cover 12. Looking at our verb tense chart, you can see that for the past, present, and future categories, there are 4 tenses in each, making a total of 12 tenses. This looks a bit complicated, so to help us make sense of it, we'll use a timeline. We will also focus on the 4 categories within past, present, and future: simple, progressive, perfect, and perfect progressive. In general, simple means that something happened at a point in time. Simple past means something happened at one point in the past and it ended. For example, it rained yesterday. The rain started and ended yesterday. Simple future means that at one point in the future something will happen. For example, it will rain tomorrow. We don't know if the rain will end tomorrow, but we know that it will start at some point tomorrow. Simple present is a little different. It means something that always happens. It exists now, existed in the past, and will probably exist in the future. This is a habitual occurrence. It rains every winter. Progressive is sometimes called continuous, and both mean that something happens for a length of time. Present progressive tells us that something started in the past and is still ongoing. Mary is sleeping right now. Mary started sleeping at 9 o'clock tonight and will probably continue to sleep until morning. I am talking about her in the present time. Past progressive tells us that something started in the past and continued up to a particular time in the past. Mary was sleeping when I arrived. Mary went to sleep at 9 o'clock at night, and I arrived to find her still sleeping at midnight. I am talking about Mary from the period of 9 o'clock p.m. until midnight, and am referring to Mary in the past. Future progressive tells us that something will start at a point in the future and will probably continue. Mary will be sleeping when I arrive. She may go to bed at 9 o'clock tomorrow night and will continue to sleep till I arrive at midnight. I am speaking about her and my arrival in the future. Perfect tenses are used whenever we are talking about a point in time before another point in time. Something happens before another thing. An example of present perfect is, I have already eaten. This means that I ate sometime before now. An example of past perfect is, I had already eaten lunch when my sister arrived. I finished eating sometime before my sister arrived. The exact time is not important because the point of reference is when my sister arrived. An example of future perfect is, I will have eaten when my sister arrives. First, I will finish eating. Later, my sister will arrive. The perfect progressive tenses convey the duration of a starting event, and that event is in progress until another event. An example of present perfect progressive is, I have been reading for 3 hours. This event is in progress. It started 3 hours ago and is still in progress. Past perfect progressive conveys the idea that something started in the past, continued for a while, and then was ended by another event. For example, Joe had been reading for 3 hours before Tom came. Joe started reading, read for 3 hours, when Tom interrupted him. Future perfect progressive implies that an event will start in the future and last until another event. For example, Joe will have been reading for 3 hours by the time Tom arrives. Joe will start reading at some time in the future, read for 3 hours, then stop when Tom arrives. Try reading the practice sentences and placing them in one of the 12 tenses.